Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with another sewing tutorial. Today we're making these cute fabric carrots. You can use these handmade carrots for Easter decorations or to decorate your farmhouse, garden, or country home for spring, summer, or any time of year. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com to get the newest project ideas. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a written version of this project with the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable templates. My shop's also where you'll find my full collection of digital sewing and crafting patterns that you can download and print at home, making it easy to get started on your next sewing project today. I've added links in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project you'll need orange fabric, green fabric, fiberfill stuffing, printable template, and a hand needle and thread, or taking the shortcut way, some jute or twine. First, cut out the templates and place a triangle template on top of the orange fabric with the base of the triangle facing the long edge of the fabric. Use that template to cut one carrot from the fabric. Flip the template upside down and place the base so it's facing the other long edge of the fabric, and use it to cut out the second carrot. Flip the template one more time and use it to cut out the third carrot. You'll now have 3 triangles with 2 leftover pieces. To make a fourth carrot, place those 2 leftover fabric pieces together with the right sides of the fabric facing each other. And stitch along the long edge using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Then use the provided template or your rotary cutter and ruler to cut the green fabric into 2 by 8-inch strips. Place a piece of carrot fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place a green fabric strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down, and stitch the 2 pieces together using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Fold the carrot in half with the right sides of the fabric facing each other. Align the edges and match the seams. Stitch the carrot together along the raw edges using a 1/4-inch seam allowance. Turn the carrot right side out. You may have to stick something down into the tip like a chopstick to get it to poke out all the way. Then fill the carrot with fiberfill stuffing, filling it as full as you'd like. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and use a hand needle and thread to stitch around the outside of the top of the carrot very close to the seam. Continue stitching all the way around the top of the carrot and pull the thread tight to close up the carrot. Tie a knot in the thread and work the needle through some of the stuffing inside the carrot to secure it. Now if you're looking for a shortcut, skip that hand sewing and just wrap a piece of jute or twine around the top of the orange section of the carrot and tie a knot, then wrap it around one more time and tie a bow. Then make vertical cuts into the green fabric all around the top to simulate the carrot tops. And just like that, just that fast, you have a set of stuffed fabric carrots, a great addition to your seasonal spring and Easter decor. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.